Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today we are working with a beautiful piece from Rose Morning. I will link Rose Morning's website in the description under the video. If you don't know who Rose Morning is, I highly suggest going on their website and checking their product out because it's absolutely stunning. They have beautiful arches with flowers. They have beautiful, gorgeous looking flower walls, and they are absolutely a masterpiece. Each and every single item that they have. I reviewed a few pieces from Rose Morning, and every single time I would set up, I would be in awe. So their website is in the description under this video. Also, if you would like to purchase anything from Rose Morning, you can always use my code ANNA for 10% off at checkout. Without any further ado, let's go. You guys! Really wanted it to give you a close-up of what's going on in this box, you guys. Colors, styles of flowers, everything that I see right now just opening up the box makes me so happy. It looks so beautiful. It looks so I can't. I am loving what I see. This box is a little bit different. As we can see, I have some floral pieces in here, whole bunch of zip ties, and a metal structure. So let's deal with the metal structure, and then we will dive into our flowers. Looks like this will be a very easy construction. We have two bases, two longer pieces like these, and two pieces that curve a little bit to the side. So let's take these guys and figure this out. A little up close on this arch. So as you can see, we have two nice, really long bases, which is good because length actually will help the arch not to tip back or tip forward. It will hold the weight of flowers very nicely. So the arch is getting connected by these screws right here. So this is the first piece, second, third, and fourth. We connected that with screws and we got this beautiful arch. Now let's move on to this. As I am unpacking my flower pieces with these tubes, I can see that they are labeled, so it's left 2. We'll see. We'll figure this out. This is not the only one that is labeled. Every single piece like this is labeled, so we'll figure this out. Also in the box, I found bunches like these with flowers. Let's assess the situation. We have 6 pieces. Grabbing our zip ties that were included in this package, and we're gonna start attaching these to our arch. Starting with this section first, so square or rectangular base flowers. We're gonna flip it and put it at the very base of our arch, just like this. Some zip ties and attaching to the back of my frame. Second piece, which is R1, I believe. Okay, grabbing zip ties, and again, zip tying everything to the frame. I'm gonna scooch you closer as soon as I am done. This is the back of the arch after I attached all of the flower pieces. This is the top piece that I really wanted to show you. As you can see, I used a lot of zip ties. I literally leave like, I don't know, 3 inches apart between zip ties, because this piece, especially at the top, needs a lot of zip ties to hold this piece with flowers facing forward and not like sliding down and looking down. So if you're gonna be buying this arch, make sure you use a lot of zip ties to completely secure the top piece. The middle piece right here, I didn't use a lot of zip ties because it's not needed. It's just holding the piece by probably like 6 zip ties. And the bottom one, I literally just added 1 zip tie, which you can add more. I simply zip tied this piece by the flower zip tie to the frame, and it holds very nice. The arch is ready. Now we need to fluff the flowers up to give this arch the proper look. So I am just bending flowers, bending them down to cover the foam underneath. Love these flowers. First of all, they are really good quality, and second of all, they are wired, so you can bend the flowers and fluff up this arch even easier than with just unwired flowers. Let's take this extra bunch that came with this arch and add where the flowers are needed. This is my final arch from Rose Morning. You guys, I am absolutely loving what I see here. I love all the colors that they included in this arch. I love the quality of the flowers. Overall, it's just one unique, beautiful looking arch of flowers. Now, let's revisit the back and let me tell you which pieces I used where. So at the very bottom, I have number 3 piece. Right in the middle, I have number 1. And at the very top, this section over here is number 2. You guys, I honestly don't know if I did this right. I was just attaching pieces to the arch and looking at what looks best. I wish this arch would include some type of instructions, which piece goes where. That would have been so much easier. So I've decided that this arch needed some balloons. So I inflated 16 and 11-inch Qualitex balloons into clusters, different clusters, and I want to add balloons on the side right there, all around the arch. First things first, I want to tie my clusters of balloons by the necks together, and I want to create a long balloon garland. Balloons are on the arch. I attached balloons to the arch with fishing line. Now I am grabbing extra clusters and fluffing balloons just a little bit. And this is my final setup. I absolutely love that I added white balloons here. I chose white because I didn't want overpower the arch with colorful balloons. I feel like adding balloons, this arch is a lot more highlighted in this room, and overall it stands out better than it was. Absolutely love the neon sign, and the chair with the rug adds just a little bit of something in here. Also, this is one of the possibilities and designs that you can do with this arch. Again, the possibilities are endless. I will link this arch in the description under the video. Check it out. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and every single other supply that I used here will be linked there as well. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will try to help you out. That's it, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.